Yes, good morning, children. How are you? So, today, children, what we are going to study? Is it visible to all of you? What we are going to study today? Division of decimal numbers. This is the last part of this chapter. We will complete this chapter today. And we are going to learn division, very important topic, division of decimal numbers. In the last class, what we have studied, children? Multiplication of decimal numbers. We have multiplied so many decimal numbers. So today we are going to divide it. So let's start. Division of decimal numbers. In division of decimal numbers, first of all, what we are going to study? Division of a decimal number by whole number. We will take a decimal number and we will take one whole number. So let us take one example. 15.5 decimal number divided by 5. 15.5 divided by 5. So, first of all, first thing is that we have to remove decimal. So, how to remove decimal, children? After decimal, just count the number of digits. How many digits are there after decimal? Only 1. If 1 is there, then we can convert this in fraction. 155 by 10. If after decimal 2 digits are there, then we have to divide by 100. So, divide by 5 by 1. We can put 1 as denominator. Now, see children, next step. 155 by 10 into, and we know when division is there, division is converted to multiplication, then we have to take the reciprocal of always right hand side, that you have already learned in division of fractions. So now we can easily divide. Cut 5 ones are 5, 3s are 5 ones are. So what left? 31 ones are 31, 10 ones are 10. And when divided by 10, the decimal will shift to one place left. So if you are unable to see decimal is here, children. And now it will shift here. So what answer will get? 33.1. Now see one more example. See one more example. See, children. 2.06 divided by 2. So let's divide decimal number with whole number. See, decimal number with whole number. So the decimal number is whole number. So here again, what we'll do? 206 divided by 100. Why 100? After decimal, how many digits? 1, 2. So 100. If it is 3 there, then divide by 1000. Now divide by 2 by 1 means 206 by 100. Divide is change to multiplication, then 1 by 2. Now cut. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 threes are. What we got? 103 by 100. And 103 by 100, that means when we divide by 100, the decimal shift to 2 places left. So what's the answer? 1.03. So hope it is clear to all of you. So you just practice, and we'll do practice also in exercises. Now see the next part. Division of a decimal number by another decimal number. Now decimal number with decimal number. So let us take an example only. We will study decimal number and we'll divide by another decimal number. In the previous one, decimal number with whole number we have studied. Decimal number with whole number. And now what will study? Decimal number with decimal number. So see children. So let us take again one example. 5.75 divided by 0.5. So see, this is decimal number, this is again a decimal number. So let's do this division, and if we actually divide it, it is very difficult. We will not get a result. So it's better, first of all, you have to follow this method. 575 divided by 100. Why by 100? Just count after decimal how many digits? 1, 2. If 1, 2 is there, 100. 3 is there, 1000. 1 is there, 10. Divided by. Now how many are there now? 1 only after decimal 1. So 5 by 10. Now you know very well what happened after this. And when we division is there, the division sign will change to multiplication, and then we have to take the reciprocal of always the right hand side one. So 10 by 5. Now cancellation part, 0 1 0 1 0 cut, 5 1s are 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. So what left, children? 1 1 5 by 10. And you know when divided by 10 the decimal will shift to 1 place left. So 11.5. So understood, children? Similarly in the same way we can do so many. Now comes to another topic, division by 10, 100, 1000. So what happens when we divide any decimal number or any number by 10, 100, 1000? So you see the rule. While dividing a number by 10, 100 or 1000, the digits of the number and the quotient are same, but the decimal point in the quotient shift to the left by as many places as there are zeros. Means, see the example. Suppose 2.3 divided by 10. And when we are dividing by 10, what is written there? The digits of the number and the quotient are same, but decimal point will shift. And when we are divided by 10, the decimal will shift to 1 place left. So result will be 0.23. And when we are dividing 1000, suppose this one, 1.89 divided by 100. And when dividing by 100, decimal point will shift to 2 places left. So what? 1 is there and we have to shift 2 places. So we can put 10 here. It will not affect 0, 1.89 or 1.89 the same thing, because we have to shift 2 places. So 100 is there. So what's the answer? So decimal will come here. 0.0189. Now see one more. When dividing by 1000, what happened when we divide by 1000? 923.86 divided by 1000. And when we are dividing by 1000, see the decimal will shift to 3 places left. 1, 2, 3. So the decimal will shift here. So 0.92386 is our answer. So we have seen when dividing by 10, the decimal will shift to 1 place left. 100, 2 places left. 1000, 3 places left. And you know in multiplication the process is reverse. When multiplying by 10, the decimal shift to 1 place right. When multiplying by 100, the decimal will shift to 2 place right. And when multiplying by 1000, the decimal will shift to 3 places right. This is just the converse. In division, towards left, and in multiplication, towards right. So clear, children? So let us now start exercise to illustrate more about division of decimal numbers. So are you ready, children? So shall we start? So see, children, question number 1, find 0.4 divided by 2. So how to divide? Just the method we have to follow, same method. First of all, convert the decimal number to fraction. 4 by 10. After decimal 1 digit, 4 by 10. Divided by 2 by 1. We can put 1 as denominator. 4 by 10. Divide change to multiplication. And take the reciprocal. 1 by 2. Now cut. 2 1s are. 2 2s are. What left? 2 by 10. 2 by 10 means 0.2, and when dividing by 10, the decimal will shift to 1 place left. If you are unable to see decimal, means decimal is 2.0. If any number you are unable to see decimal, means decimal is there. Suppose 75. So how will write 75? 75.0. So here also 2 is there. That means 2.0. So decimal will shift to 1 place left when divided by 10. Now see the second one. 0.35. So after decimal, how many digits? 2 are there. So dividing by 100. And divide by 5 by 1. Now again taking reciprocal. Reciprocal, yeah, multiplicative inverse. Both are the same thing. So taking multiplicative inverse of 5 by 1. 1 by 5. Now cut. 5 7s are 35. 7 1s are 7. 7 by 100. And when divided by 7, the decimal shift to 2 place left. Are you unable to see decimal? So decimal is there 7 point. Now 2 places. 1. If another place is not there, put 0. Very easy. You have to put 0 every time. 0 7. 7 means 0 7.0. How will write 7? 0 7.0. How will write 7 if 1000 we want? 1000. So 0 0 7. Like this we can write. So now see the next one, third one. Let's come to the third one. See the third one, children. 2.48 divided by 4. So can you do this by yourself? 248 by 100. Why 100? Because after decimal, how many digits are there? 2. Divided by 4 by 1. So 248 by 100. Divide change to multiplication. 1 by 4. Now cut. 4 1s are 4 6 are 4 2 are 62 by 100. And 62 by 100 means what? Decimal is here. 0.62. Clear, children? Now comes to the next one. Now comes to fifth one. See fifth one. Fourth one, sorry. Fourth one. So same question again. 654 divided by 10. Why divided by 10, children? Why we have divided by 10? Because after decimal only one digit. Divided by 6 by 1. Now 654 by 10. Divide change to multiplication. Reciprocal. Now see, children. 6 1 are 6. 6 1 are 6. And 6 9 ja. Now 2 digits together. So you have to put 0. 6 9 ja 54. You must know division. If you are taking 2 digits together, if not divisible by 6 in first case, then you have to carry down 4. So we have to put 0. This you learn in class 4th and 5th. So 109 by 10. 109 by 10. And when divided by 10, the decimal will shift to 1 place left. To 10.9. Clear? Now let's do another one. Fifth one. Fifth one. The same way we can do. So 6512 divided by 10. Why divided by 10, children? Because after decimal only one digit is there. Divided by 4 by 1. Now 6512 by 10 into reciprocal always 4 dividing by 4. Now cut. 4 1s are 4. 4 1s are 4. 2 carry. 4 6 are 24. 1 carry. 4 2s are 8. 3 carry. 4 8s are 32. So what left? 1628 divided by 10. And when dividing by 10, the decimal will shift to 1 place left. 162.8 is our answer. Now see sixth one. Can you do it by yourself? So children, this is homework for all of you. So do it yourself and show me. Now DIY means do it yourself. Now children, let's do another one. This also you try. This also you try. So this one also homework for all of you. Now we'll do the last one. 0.80 divided by 5. So how will write 0.80? 80 by 100. Why by 100? Because after decimal 2 digits are there. Divided by 5 by 1. Now 80 by 100. Divide is changed to multiplication. As we know very well, 1 by 5. Cut. 16 by 100. 16 by 100 means the decimal will shift to 2 places left. So final answer 0.16. Clear, children? So you practice, children. You will get only if you practice it. Now let us do question number 2. First we have completed, now second. Now if you see, just now we have studied the properties. When dividing by 10, the decimal will shift to one place left. So in the same way we can do. See. So 4.8 divided by 10. 4.8 divided by 10, the decimal will shift to one place left. Simple, when dividing by 10, the decimal will shift to one place left. This rule only you have to remember. Now, 52.5 divided by 10. When dividing by 10, the decimal will shift to one place left. 5.25. Very, very easy. So only have to remember rule. 0.7 divided by 10, the decimal will shift to one place left. So 0.07. See the next one. When dividing by 10, again and again the same questions. The decimal will shift to one place left. 3.31. Here also, when dividing by 10, the decimal will shift to one place left. So 27.223. Now again the same question. So when dividing by 10, the decimal will shift to one place left. So what answer will get? 0.056. One place left. Now see the next one. Third one. When dividing by 100, the decimal shift to two places left. So 2.7 divided by 100. Now two places. If you are unable to see two places, put 0 every time. So 1, 2. So what will the answer? 0.027. Two places left. Before the decimal was here. Now he has two places. Here again 0.3 divided by 1000. Now 100. Now you are unable to see only one place is there. So put one more 0. So what will be the answer? 100. Two places left. 0.003. Here 2. So 0.78 divided by 100. Now two places. So put one more 0. Now see, two places. So 0.20, then 78. So children, now do it yourself. This 3 question as homework. This one, try it yourself. This one and this one. You do it yourself. You try it yourself. All are very easy. Now, let's come to question number 4. And in this, we have to divide by 1000. And we know when dividing by 1000, what will happen? The decimal shift to 3 places left. So, see. 7.9 divided by 1000. So, see 3. So, 3 places. The 1, you can put 0, you can put 0. Now 3 places. The decimal will shift here. So 0.0079. See one more. Here 2 also. 26.3 divided by 1000. So how many places? 1, 2. Only 2 are there. So put 1, 0. Now 3 places. 0.0263. Now this one you do it yourself. You try it yourself, this one. Now let's do 4th one. So what is 4th one? 128.9 divided by 1000. So when dividing by 1000, decimal shift to 3 places. Already there are places, no digits are there, so no need to worry about that. So we can directly divide 1000 to 1, 2, 3. So we'll go on there. And now see this one also, last one. 0.5 divided by 1000. Now how many places we have to shift? 3. So 1 is there only. So put 0 and put one more 0. Now shift. So 0.0005. So this completes by 10, 100 and 1000. We have divided it very easily. Now let us do the last question of this exercise. 7 divided by 3.5. So how to divide, children? Once again, whole number with decimal number. So 7 divided by 35 by 10. After decimal, how many digits? 1. So divided by 10. 7 into. Divide, change to multiplication and take the reciprocal. 10 by 35. Now cut. 7 5s are 35. 5 1s are 5 2s are. So what left? Only 2 is our solution. See next one again. Same. 36 divided by 2 by 10. Why 2 by 10? Because after this one only one digit. So 36 into 10 by 2. 2 18s are. 18 into 10. 18 10s are. How much? 108. Now see the next one. Third one. Decimal with decimal. So 325 by 100. Why 100? Because after decimal 2 digits divided by 5 by 10. 325 by 100 into 10 by 5. Divide change to multiplication, reciprocal, 1010 cut. 5 6 are 30, 5 5s are 25. So what left? 65 and denominator 10. 65 by 10, 6.5. Now see this one again. Same, all questions are nearly same. 3094 divided by what? 100. Why 100? Because after decimal how many digits? 1 2. So divide by 100. Divide by what? 7 by 10. Why 7 by 10, children? Because after decimal 1 digit. Now what will do? Divide is changed to multiplication. Take reciprocal. 1010 cut. Now 7 unja. 7 4s are 28 2. 7 4s are 28 1. 7 2s are 14. So what left? 4 4 2 by 10. And when divided by 10, the decimal shift to 1 place left. 44.2. So here decimal. So it will shift to here. Now see the next one, fifth one. Five by 10. 25 by what? 100. Why by 100? See, after decimal 2 digits, after decimal 1 digit, so 10. 5 by 10. Divide change to multiplication, take reciprocal always. 5 5s are 25. 0 0 cut. 5 2s are 10. So what left? Only 2. Now see what this one. 775 divided by 100. And here also 25 by 100. Why? Because after decimal 2 digits, here also 2 digits. 775 by 100 into 100 by 25. 100 cut. 25 ones are 25 3s are 75. 25 ones are 25. So what left? Only 31. So now the last 3 questions. Let's complete this also, so that our chapter will be completed. So 765 by 10 and 15 by 100 in the same way. 765 by 10 into 100 by 15. Reciprocal. Now cut. 15 ones are 15. 5s are 75. 15 is 15. So what left? 51 into what? 10. How much? 510. Now this one. How to do this one? 378 by 10 divided by 14 by 10, because after this only one digit both the sides. So reciprocal now. Cut 10 with 10, 14, 14 ones are 14, 2s are 14, 2s are now 9, 14 7s are 98. So what left? Only 27 left. Now see the last question. 273 by 100 and 13 by 10 into 10 by 13. Divide, change, multiplication, reciprocal, cut. 13 ones are 13, 2s are 1 carry, 13 ones are. So what left, children? 21. So this finish our chapter. Understood, children, all of you?